Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to extrude along a cube. So the next you can change to the front view, press space buttons and then click on the front view and then press space button again. Okay, after it we can create for the cube objects. You can go to create cube tools and I will use IP cube tools. You can click like from this point. Okay, click into here. We create example cube and press enter buttons to apply. Next, I will go back to the perspective view. And in here, we create for the polygon object. You can right click, shift right click, and then choose the create polygon tools. Okay, I will create in here the polygon object. Okay, you can orbit. And you also can edit, like I will edit with the vertex selection. Right click, go to vertex and use the move tools, select the vertex and you can move the vertex object like this. Okay, and the next, to extrude along the cube, you can right click again and then choose the face selection, select the face object, and the next you can select the cube, press shift buttons to select multiple, and press shift button again, right click, use the extrude face. So to be extrude the polygon objects. And the next you can change for the division. Okay, in here, click and you can press middle mouse hold and you can increase the division from the object. If done, you can press enter buttons to apply the extrusion. Okay, that's it for a basic Maya tutorial how to extrude along cube.